Hi there, you guys. This is called Barry's friend, and also friend of Catherine's now, who is restoring Barry's page. And you might have noticed that the pages the one that was closed off came back on. And so we just want to thank you, Kryon, for not shutting it down and getting it going again. And Ronna also for not closing us off. We would also like to thank everybody who's not going to go straight to YouTube, but maybe talk to us. We're very happy to take off anything, because Barry had all sorts of verbal agreements with people, like for example with Kryon. He had a verbal agreement, maybe even written, God knows. I remember those times, and yeah, then the channel got shut down, and so please talk to us. Talk to us if we're using something. We're like blind leading blind. We're not really sure what's all right, what was legally okay. So please talk to us, and we're very happy to take down anything that does not agree with whatever your agreement was with Barry now, and since he passed away. So yeah, thanks again. And also to say that Archangel Michael's messages are now going to be by subscription. So, just so you know. Anyway, thank you again, and blessings, and thanks for listening. And yeah, we're rejoiced that our effort, many posts to Kryon to bring us back on again, and so this miraculously came back. So we're very happy. So thanks again, and blessings.